Hey guys, it's been a minute since I have showed you taking off a set. So this is a couple sets in. I will link actually the two sets that you will see here, which is the snow leopard and then the embedded flowers. I'll make sure to link them in the little cards up top here. But I am taking this down because I want to show you guys how to do your nails with everything from Amazon. Everybody knows Amazon is my jam. So I went ahead and created a separate shopping list, or kind of like what you need from Amazon. I use a different drill here, and I think my cuticle oil is different because I just don't have any from Amazon, but I do link the drill that everyone uses from Amazon. It's the Melody Susie one, so I went ahead and linked it there. But just remember, these are not soak off, so you will need a drill or a hand file, otherwise your hands are going to hurt. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and file down my previous sets, because there are two here, and go down to almost fully naked nails, and we will start from scratch and build our way up to beautiful nails.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding.
If you have been with me, Gelish Foundation is my jam. I actually have a new bottle now because I finally made it through this one. They actually have quite a bit in this. So this is a soak off base. Now I state that at the beginning of the video that this is not a soak off tutorial or a soak off set, and that is true. If you want to do maybe 1 or 2 layers of this is very thin, you may be able to file off the top and then soak this part off. However, you probably will not end up getting it all off, and it's just know this is not a soak off. So this is a base that I'm doing. What I'm going to do here is scrub it in. So you can kind of see me rotating it down the side, left and right. I do like to start in the middle and then kind of push, or like let my brush kind of fan out towards the sidewall. And for me, that gives me the best coverage because I kind of let the brush do the work instead of forcing it to go into the sidewalls or the cuticles. And what I do now, as you can see, I touch down right before I go back to the cuticle. So I'm probably 2/3 of the way back, maybe even 3/4 of the way back. And then I lightly push towards that cuticle, leaving most of the product on the center of my nail.
Take it in real life like haiku.
right, now we're taking IBD hard gel. Again, this is not a soak off, and I'm taking the oval number 6, which is just a half brush, half paddle on the other side, but I obviously am not using the paddle side. So what I'm doing here is I'm showing you how much I'm grabbing for this first layer. There's hardly anything here. Oh, by the way, we fully cured that first section. And now we're coming in with that layer. So this is going to be our base layer. This will allow gel to stick to gel. Remember that gel will always stick to gel. You fudge your cuticles, that's where the gel's gonna go. So try to stay off your cuticles here. So this base layer will allow our bigger bead of gel to distribute across your nail and kind of create that apex and kind of create that seamless look you're looking for. So now I'm coming in with a bigger bead and I kind of leave that shaken part off to the side. You can see I place that down, and this is all in real time, by the way. Then we'll fast forward later so you don't have to sit through it all. So what I'm doing is guiding it back, guiding it left and right, and doing windshield wiper motions down the nail. And what this is going to do is keep most of your bulk in the center of your nail while allowing the gel to kind of guide down the sides, because for me, I hate bulky sides. Is like my thing that I absolutely hate. So you're always constantly wanting to check, and I didn't have enough gel on. So what I'm doing here is taking another bead. Do not feel like you have to do this in a one shot, one opportunity. No, okay. Anyone else? Please tell me someone else got that reference. Or am I just old? Anyway, so pull it down, and now you can see I have enough gel to where the tip is also raised up. The tip was very flat, and I like to bring it over the edge and then drag it back down that center, because that allows us to release the gel and we're not going to create air bubbles. If you are constantly picking up your brush, you will have a lot of air bubbles, especially with IBD gel. So now I'm working on the placement of my apex. So I flipped my nail upside down to bring that gel to the center. And now I'm working it down because, again, working it over the edge will not have any pullback. You can file any imperfections. And we're going to repeat that process. I'll talk through this one time, and then I'll just let you watch and I'll keep quiet. So we did our base layer, and you can see I'm allowing the gel to run to the side. But this is a smaller nail, so I don't need to do huge windshield wiper motions. Just they're little kind of circle windshield wiper motions. And again, I'm always bringing that gel back to the center to even out the nail and flip it upside down. You can go back and forth either way. But again, I'll show you a couple more times here. This I wanted to point out. So see how there's bubbles in that gel? When I pick up from my jar, I always scoop and then let off on one side. So that way my bubbles are kind of concentrated in one area. Just a little side tip there. Now I'm going to file and buff. I do hand file and e-file, both. So some nails are a little bit thicker than others and I need an e-file. Other nails are not, and it's fine. If you want to hand file this, by all means, absolutely hand file this. But remember, to take it off, you're also going to need a file. You can hand file it off I personally could never not wear gel nails, but that's me personally. So I will file and buff and I'll catch you back.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
All right, taking care of skies top coat. You can use a no wipe or one that has a tacky top. It does not matter to me personally. I love this top coat just like I like their tack-free top coat. So I just like to apply semi-generous, not full generous, but semi. Like it's a little bit glossy, okay? We just let that go. And then I'm wiping off the inhibition layer, adding cuticle oil, and then I like to take a wipe and scrub that in. It gets it real shiny. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial and like my mindset and how I walk through things helped you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Everything is linked down below as well of all the supplies you need. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.